As you can see guys, this mobile pattern lock, you can see here, this mobile is pattern lock. I have tried to more, but it is not working to pattern unlock. So now I am to going a hard reset this mobile, factory reset. So first of all you have to power up this mobile, and then you have to factory reset, hard reset. How to press the volume plus button and power button, press, and now hold it. So guys, it will work automatically, and leave power button, and you can see here recovery mode, Android recovery mode. And guys, how reset this mobile by volume button, press volume down button. You can see here, as you press volume down button, and it will swipe down, and click on web data and press the power button and swipe volume down button. You can see here, and press power button. You can see here, yes. So it's working now and formatting. Now you have to press power button for mobile restart. You can see here, I'm going to press volume down button, and by web data factory reset, press power button and reset it. And guys, clear this mobile web, clear cache, and you can see here to web cache, and clear this partitions. After that you have to press power button for reboot this mobile. You can see here this mobile is formatting now. And if you like this mobile videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. You can see here, do wait, it is restarting now. And you can see here, starting Android, and hi there are setup. You can see here, so you have to set up this mobile, and press the start and click next. After agree, you can see here checking for update. You can see here, this may take a minute or two, just a second. You can see here account added. You can you next click, just a second. After that you have to scroll down, and don't restore, click on button. You can see here, just a second, click on no thank you, and escape anyway, more and more, I agree, no thanks. You can see here updating. You can see here okay, swipe down and okay, heading the finish touching. So guys, it is clear, removed FRP. You can see here FRP is removed now, and I am going to next videos for you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So bye, be back later, see you next videos. Okay, bye and take care, all is done.